Now that I've gotten inside, it decides it's going to slack up enough that I could have gotten in and not been soaked. I'm a drowned rat. To give you an idea how much rain we're getting here. When I left the house, yards were dry. Oh, here comes the next round. Sounds like it's starting to pick up again. I'm under the porch at the awning that the water was just streaming off of earlier. And it was like running through a waterfall trying to get in here. My sidewalk you can't see it, but that's about an inch of water. So my feet are soaked from trying to get from the car. Just from there to there. Just that distance right there, I got soaked. As you can see, it looks like it's starting to pond on the streets now. Just now starting to hear thunder. That's the first I've been hearing.